Mr. Malik Addo-Ibrahim, the Young Progressives Party YPP presidential candidate, speaks on the need for diaspora voting in Nigeria. He urged all stakeholders to put in more effort to actualize it.
We need to start preparing it now. We need to get data, proper data on who's outside. Are they really Nigerians? The embassies need to be ready so that they can accept that voting at the embassies. You can do it in such a way that there's credibility put into the system. You must test the system.
Addo-Ibrahim said the Nigerians in diaspora also need to play their part to ensure inclusion in the electoral process by visiting the embassies at their countries of residence to provide the necessary data.
And you must make sure that when a Nigerian goes outside this country and is living in the diaspora, he goes and registers, or she goes and registers with the embassy that I'm here, I'm living here, here's my passport, here are my details, here's my birth certificate, all those things you need to do, NIN number, BVN, or whatever you need, or my PVC, and then register to vote at that location. And these are things that must be planned in advance.
He again called on the National Assembly to expedite action on the Electoral Act to ensure inclusion of Nigerians in diaspora in the electoral process and praised the giant strides of Nigerians residing outside the country.
Best Nigerian graduates in Europe and America are the top of their class. We're the most educated diaspora segment of any country you go to. Nigerians are at the top, the most educated. And they'll stay there because what is the quality of life you're coming home to?